And I mean, it's so accurate that the guys that for airplanes, the propeller blades on their planes is just pretty much how they do it. Well, it's static balancing. Put valve cap back on. Very important to have that valve cap on, especially if you guys got, I got a 90 on there, but if you guys got a regular rubber one, what happens, the tire gets spinning so fast it'll actually pull into that valve stem and actually piss out a little bit of air, little by little. Very little, but after time. So, kind of let this settle to where the heaviest will settle at the bottom. Like so. Got my little tire marker straight up. Mark it. I'm going to clean the spot where I'm going to put my weights. More towards the center, the better. Which, luckily for these wheels, I don't have a ridge or anything. And it's a pretty smooth spot. Works out real good. So, now I'm going to put this mark on the side here. Let go. See it spin. So, and take some weights. Just temporarily stick it on the side here. It stays. That's why you gotta clean it. Maybe wants 2 weights on there. See how much slower it's going? So that is 7 weights. That's a lot. Stick them to the tire, the wheel. Press them on there. Wasn't able to do this. Clean this side. Grab some weights. Now it's really going slow, so probably about 5 weights. Been doing it long enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Backing off. Press them on. Back at the 90. Barely moving right now. I call that good. That's balanced. Stand. Now let's go put it on the bike.